UFOs, examining alien bodies, is what was carried out in a mysterious warehouse inside a secret location, more strictly guarded than Area 51. The headquarters of Project Blue Book had the task of investigating government UFOs from 1951 to 1969. Wright-Patterson. This is Wright-Patterson Air Force Base outside Dayton, Ohio, USA, existing parallel to Area 51. According to declassified documents in 2007, during the 1950s and 1960s, Area 51 was the site of a secret Cold War program called Oxcot, aimed at developing a line of undetectable reconnaissance aircraft that could